Good morning, students. Welcome to your e-learning class. This is your science class, and today I am going to start chapter 9, that is air. What does it contain? Students, as you know, air is all around us, but it can't be seen, felt, tasted, or smelled unless it is dirty. We can't see the air when it is clean, but we can feel the air when it moves or when the wind blows. Air contains water vapor, smoke, dust, and germs. Water vapor. The heat of the sun warms up the water in the ocean, rivers, lakes, and ponds. This water also changes into water vapor and goes into the air. Thus, air contains water vapor. Water vapor is essential for rains. Now, smoke. Burning rubbish, wood, leaves, firecrackers gives out smoke. Smoke also comes out of factory chimneys and running vehicles. Thus, air contains smoke. Dust and germs. We sweep our houses, homes, and dust the furniture, doors, etc. Dust particles rise up and mix with the air. When a sick person cough or vomit, germs mix with the air. Thus, air contains dust and germs. Students, as you know, we need fresh air to breathe. Smoke, dust, and germs make the air dirty and impure. Breathing impure air is harmful to us. When we breathe in impure air, we begin to cough. We have trouble in breathing. We inhale germs and feel sick. So, we must breathe in clean and fresh air. How to do for clean and fresh air? Now, students, as you know, plants make the air clean, so we should grow more and more trees. We should keep the wide knitted doors and windows open to let in fresh air. We should stop burning garbage. And students, we should make proper disposal of waste material and keep the house clean. We should use the tall chimneys in houses and factories. We should not cover our face when we sleep. And last of all, whenever we cough or sneeze, we should cover our mouth with a handkerchief. This will prevent the germs from spreading in the air. Now, students, this is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.